Alright, so welcome back people to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Really appreciate it. We're going to touch on the Richard King situation. I'm quite sure most of you have already seen the reports, have already heard of the reports that Richard King is heavily linked to the Scottish Premiership team, Rangers FC. Now, this tour kind of just pop up out of nowhere. But I do believe that a lot of persons already have it on their mind that Richard King might not be in Jamaica for too long. A lot of persons believe that he should have left a long time ago. I'm one of them. I do believe that he should have left a long time ago. But you know, I think already that's just the nature. And let me just get into the article. Richard, before we get to that, just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Nothing go share the content if you feel the need to. No problem at all. Richard King and Rangers transfer radar as move for giant Jamaican pondered amid central defensive crisis. The Light Blues are in market for a central defender, but for both the short and long term, with the Reggae Boyz are under consideration. Rangers are weighing up a move for Jamaican international Richard King as they continue their hunt for a central defender. The 23-year-old is on the Ibrox transfer radar as technical director Nils Copen cast his net wide in his bid to unearth talent to bolster Philippe Clement's squad. As well as looking for experience, Rangers have made no secret of their desire to bring in the young player who can provide success and be sold on for a future profit. With Hamza Igamene a prime example after he was recruited from Morocco in the summer and is now flourishing. And King is being considered by the Light Blues with the player fitting the profile. The 6'2" stopper currently plays for Jamaica Premier League champions Cavalier, although doesn't have the experience of Europe after a season-long loan spell for IBV in Iceland in 2023. He was reportedly monitored by a quarter of the English Premier League clubs: West Ham United, Brighton, Newcastle and Aston Villa, who viewed him as one for the future. King has been capped 19 times for the Reggae Boyz, including under former England manager Steve McLaren, who is now in charge of the Caribbean nation and was a part of the Copa America squad list last year. Central defense is an area Clement is desperate in need of reinforcement, with John Sorter and Leon Balogun both out injured, and the latter turning 37 this summer after signing a one-year extension at the start of the season. Ben Davis was sent out on loan to Birmingham City, and Connor Golson sold to Eris Limassol in Cyprus, and is an area we're looking to strengthen, with King now under serious consideration. Now, I do understand, because even when time the Brighton, West Ham, Aston Villa and Newcastle link pop out, a lot of persons say fake news. Well, probably say, boy, not go so. And it's good to know that actually that in itself was confirmed as well by the paper. But nevertheless, being linked is, scouts are being watched. I watch World Cup players, multiple players all over the world. But it's good to see that at least they're looking in on what's happening here. Now, one of the aspects of it is when he played in Iceland, yeah, the team got relegated, but his performance is stand out. If you actually watch the game, his performance is stand out. He's a quality player. He's a very technically sound player. Very composed, very calm under pressure, and he knows how to play. He can play. This is actually really good for him, for the Jamaica Premier League, for Cavalier community. This is really good for Jamaica in itself, because it's good to see that our young players are being sought after by the giants, where clubs is concerned in global football. It's a really good thing. But if this comes true, I wish it come true. I really want to see him. I think he needed to move. Must be about 3 seasons ago. King to leave Jamaica about 3 seasons ago. But it's never too late. Them say it's never too late. So I think this is a good thing. Hopefully, it happened sooner than later, and we see how this one progress. But let's see if more information pop up. I'll keep you guys updated. But for now, that is it. Big up on yourself, smash that button, hit the subscribe button. See you guys again. Until next time. MG Sports TV. Out. God bless. Boom. Now I mean. Something I try like.